already seen and used operators in your code, but we'll start this chapter by formally introducing you. There are a lot of operators we have access to in programming, and they are usually grouped by purpose or type. You have arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, and logical operators. There are more, but we'll focus on these in this chapter. We have already seen arithmetic and assignment operators, but let's recap them real quick with an example. Number is equal to 1 plus 1. The left-hand side, the variable number, is assigned the value of the right-hand side, in this case, whatever 1 plus 1 returns. The equal sign is the basic assign operator, and the plus sign is the addition operator. You probably figured out that the other math operators exist too. Subtract with a minus sign, multiply with a star, divide with slash, and modular with %. Some operators have effects on non-number data types like strings. Just give this a try in the Python console to see what you get. Also, there are more assignment operators than just the equal sign. I'd recommend researching these on your own time to see what they can do. Sometimes called relational operators, comparison operators compare the left and right-hand sides to each other. We're already familiar with the equality operator, which is the equals sign as seen in this example. Here, we're asserting that the length of dog is 3. There are quite a few comparison operators, but they're pretty straightforward. Equals with the equals signs, not equal with bang equal or exclamation point equal, greater than, greater or equal, less than, and less or equal. Logical operators are used to provide more logical control to your Boolean expressions. Use these with care because they are powerful, but they can quickly make your code complicated and hard to read. In Python, you just use the words not, and, or. We'll use these examples to make more sense of them. Logical not is used when you want to check that an expression is not true. If not today is the weekend, print wake up for school. Else print no school on the weekend. You could also say if today.isWeekend is false, print wake up for school. Logical and is used when you want to check that all expressions in the statement are true. In this example, both sides of and must be true, starting from left to right. If today is the weekend and the waves are gnarly, print gotta shred some gnarly waves, bruh. Logical or is used when you want to check that any expressions in the statement are true. In this example, only one of the sides needs to be true, again, starting from left to right. If today is the weekend or today is the holiday, print not today, Mr. School. As you can see, these are super useful and were easy to read and understand. What I'll show you next is how to compound logic, but pay attention to how these look and feel compared to what you've seen so far. You can compound logical operators together. If today is the weekend and the waves are gnarly and the weather is sunny, print sounds like the perfect sunny day. You can also combine or mix and match logical operators. If season is equal to fall or season is equal to autumn and today is holiday, print it is Halloween or Thanksgiving. And lastly, you can nest if statements, putting ifs within ifs. If the season is equal to fall, or season is equal to autumn, and today is the holiday, then if month is equal to October, print trick or treat. If the month is equal to November, print Thanksgiving. Else, it's gotta be September or December, right? You can see how things get messy and out of hand very quickly. Each branch of logic adds another piece of code or behavior that needs to be tested. Always strive to make your code clean and readable. Use descriptive names and even read the code out loud to feel how it flows. Remember, you want your code to be easy for someone else to read and understand, especially for code reviews. Next up, we'll expand our knowledge of packages and modules.